Good morning, Man's Garage. We're outside today, a beautiful blue sky today. Great day for flying a drone. We have today the original 3-axis gimbal Atom. I call it the Atom 3X or the Atom 1, whatever you want to call it. It's the original 3-axis gimbal from Atom, from Potensic, and we're going to get it up. Does it stand a chance of competing in today's market of sub 250 drones? Do you have to spend a lot of money to get something reasonably good? It gives you good photos, good imagery, good flight time, good maneuverability, a few features here and there. Let's have a look. Don't break the bank. Here it is, the Potensic Atom. What I forgot to mention was it all comes in one nice box. You really don't have to buy a case, really. It comes in this ready to go. And what I do, because I like to fly with a tablet, I put my tablet in here, and this is the AltaCube i-Play 70 Mini Pro. Great. The only thing I have to bring along is something like this. You can use your phone, and it'll fit in. This is just a little bit too wide to fit in with the phone. It's in here. I've got the battery. I've got the drone. Put this down here. Got the cable, and I've got the controller. Let's put all this to the side and get it going. As I said, this is the controller, and it's got that. Will this fit in here? Let's have a look. No, not quite. See? Not quite. That's why we need this to go in here, and it clamshells it in, and it's very, very sturdy. Okay, this is from a Hubson. It's a 3D printed thing I got on AliExpress for about $6 years ago. So they are available, and opens up for your tablet. There we go. Let's get it on the pad. Let's get it up. Let's have a little flight. We have it on the pad. We have the screen recorder going. It's all hooked up, ready to go. And I really like the fact that with this one, you can plug everything in and just turn it on, and it works. That's great. Let's enter. Here we go. Go to settings, just to this little thing here. Connected. And we're connected, and we have a map. We loaded the map inside. We've got a map. That's great. Awesome. Look at that. I've got to look up there on the top. We got 2.7 at 30. I like that. I'm not a big 4K person because not that many people do it, but it is nice. It is a nicer thing, but 2.7 is almost as good. It's a lot better than 1080p, and you can do just about the same. I'm not going to be cropping in with it. We're just going to see how it goes. So we've got everything here. You know, we're in metric, we're normal, return to home if something happens, all that kind of stuff. You know, fencing, blah, 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 blah. About, if you're interested in any versions or whatever, that's the version number for that. Anyway, let's get this going. We're recording, and we're going to see what it's like. Here we go. And I can look at this and fly around and have a great time. Here we go. Let's get up in the air. There we go. Confirm, whatever. Oh. There it goes. Wow. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's turn around. Look at me. There we go. It's pretty good. We go up and down here. There we go. That's pretty good. Okay. We're just going to go backwards and forwards. We'll come this way. Want to go backwards. It wanders a little bit. It needs a calibration, I think. Turn it around. Forward. Yeah, it's got a little bit of crab walking to it. It needs an IMU calibration, but we're not going to worry about it. As I say, haven't flown this for a while. We just took it out of the box, charged it up, and it's on the map. So when you have little things like crab walking or doing circles, it needs some kind of calibration. The crab walking is more of an IMU or a controller calibration. You can manipulate that with the sticks, not a big deal. If it toilet bowls or starts going in a circle, bring it down to a compass calibration. That fixes that. So this is the well, not cheap. It's one of the originals. Let's see if we can get up here. And we're gonna go just have a look up here. We're gonna go up to, nice beautiful screen, I'll tell you. We're gonna go up to, how high we're gonna go? 1920. Bring that down a bit. There we go. Beautiful grid lines, love it. We're up at 45. We're going to stay there for a second, okay? We don't have any EVs on it here, I don't think. Yeah, EV is 0. I can change that to wherever I want, if I want. You know, I can brighten it up. I can lower it down. We're going to leave it at 0. There we go. It's got a lot of good options like that. I like that. Let's start that video. Here we go. Boink. Start the video. I'm going to go out to our favorite little spot here that we've always gone, and I really like. It looks really lush and green. It might be a little overly green, I think, maybe. We're up. How high are we up? 60 meters. Down. 59. Well, we'll go stay there. 56, it says. We should be down about 50. There we go. Okay, we'll just head out that way, and we should be going about... Oh, this is kilometers. I don't want kilometers. I want the metric system. I want meters per second. Where are we here? Metric. There we go. There we go. What do we got now? There we go. 3.5. Wow. That's pretty fast. Okay. Let me see what speed I'm in. Can I change the speeds here? Not on there. Okay, I'll have to go into here for the speeds. But anyway, let's have a look for speeds, control, safety. Normal. Video. Here we go. Video. Okay, maybe that's better. Let's see. Yeah, a little better. Not really. 5 or 6. Can we go this way and look at the lake there? Bring that down a bit. There we go. And as we turn around slightly, what's over there? And again, I'm facing east and we're flying northwest, so we're doing pretty good, and everything's good. Oh, confirm. Okay. As I said that, it kind of bounced out a bit, but we're doing good. Everything's good on the top there. Oh, there he is. We're out at what? 250? That's really good for this craft. Around here, anything over 200 is a blessing, because it's super hard to get anywhere with all these trees in the water. Remember, this is the first generation of the Atom, so getting anywhere around here is phenomenal. And then I look down at the water here, and we'll go and we'll follow the water across. Let me look right down. You follow the water across, see what you can see as it comes this way. Here we go. Here. And we can turn it this way. We'll follow this water. There we go. And if we go to the map here, boom, there we go. Whatever. Let's go. That's where we're at. So we're going to go forward. As you can see the guy moving forward there. And as we go around that little corner there, we're going to turn to the right a bit. Here we go. And we'll come down this little channel here. The Google Maps is pretty accurate. Oh, that's why. And turn around. There we go. Pretty accurate. And we head towards that intersection there. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Let's come back to where we were. And we bring that guy back down again. We'll bring our guy up here. A little bit more. Here we go. And we'll just head down that way. The full stick forward is 6 meters per second. That's full stick forward. And if we change the gear to normal, it is Full stick forward. Was 6, 8, 9, 10. That's pretty good. Sport, we're probably about 12 or 14. So let's do a return to home and see what happens. Return to home. Okay. Boom. There we go. And the returning height is going to be 49 meters. There we go. Beep, 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 beep. Here it comes. Look at this thing. Really good. Yeah, it's a nice little piece of kit. Right over my house and stops. And we're just going to bring that camera down so we know where we're going. And we'll go forward a bit. There it is. And we'll hit the... There it is. Up with the camera. It's right in front of me. Right there. There it is. Poof. Turn around. And here we are. No problem at all. Let's go get it and go from there. The pictures, they're awesome. Let's stop that video and we'll come a little closer. Boom. And we'll take a picture. Let's see if we can switch over to pictures. Here we go. There's the picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm done looking at it. There we go. I'm gonna go and grab it. I'm going to go back and grab the pizza box. Let's go grab the pizza box. A pizza box landing. Here we go. My favorite. Pizza box landing. Here we go. Ready? Just thumb down. And down. And look at that. I love the fact that as soon as it lands, boom, the motor stops. As soon as it stops, as soon as it lands, the motor stops. Love that. There we are. Let's turn everything off. And we'll go from there. Okay, turn this guy off. And turn the controller off. Okay. Potensic, the original Atom 3-axis gimbal. Because it says Potensic on it. The Atom 2 had just a P. And the Atom 3 is a completely different design. But it's 4K, 30 frames per second. You can do everything with this you can with the other ones. It flies. It's great, you know. The design of the controller is a little small for big hands, but it's very comfortable, very manageable. You put a phone in there, it's going to be great. I just like using the 8-inch tablet. Potensic, great thing. Look at the description below. Again, this is dipping into the retro bin that I've been doing the last couple of days or a week here, okay? So we've had the Femies, the Hubsons, things like that, and the DJI stuff. This is the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal. It does a really good job. You don't have to spend a fortune. Again, look in the description below. It's on Marketplace. I think it's for like 200 bucks Canadian. So that's monopoly money to anybody else, right? Okay. Yeah, so I'm just trying to whittle my stock, or liquidate my stock, or get rid of what's on the shelf. I don't really fly that much. There are too many things going on. So we're just offering up all these really, really great super deals. And this is a really, really good super little drone as a little travel drone. And one of the best features I really like about it Look at this. That's what I really like. Take it out of the box. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. We're ready to go. We don't have to twist or bend or look or whatever. And the actual cover that goes on just snaps on. It's a beautiful thing. There you go. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and go and get yourself a cheap little drone. Bye now.